Hey gang, I have a very pretty old Yale pin tumbler lock made in the US. It is stamped USN or US Navy, I presume, on it. And it has some numbering and a couple of letters, it's got a Juliet Alpha and a 4843, if anyone knows what that means. It is a pin tumbler lock, and I do not have a key. It does look like it has been in use in the Navy or some marine application based on the amount of corrosion and so forth that has grown around it. And I was trying to shim it a few minutes ago, and I'm pretty sure I hit a barnacle on the inside. Could be wrong, but it felt like a barnacle. So anyhow, it's got a pretty wide keyway for a little bitty lock. And I don't know if you can see in the film, but I can actually see the top of pin 1 and the driver right there. So I know that's going to be a high lift on number 1. So that's a good thing to know. It's always worth looking, isn't it? And we've got a bit of rotation here, so we either have some interesting tolerances or possibly some security pins, or both. Or neither, who knows. And this is the first time I've had a pick in this thing, so let's see how it goes. Okay, I just got a little bit of rotation. Good thing. Okay, here I'm using that diamond to scoop underneath of somebody that was kind of stuck. And there it is, open. So that's the new Uber pick, by the way. Not its big screen debut, but maybe its first open. So let's bust this out. There it is, open. Does look Yale and Town Manufacturing Company, hardened. It's got a little piece of chain brazed to it or something like that. It is not key retaining, and just from the construction, it kind of looks like this part might come out. So I was just sort of looking inside here. Where's my flashlight? To see if I saw a set screw or something, but I don't. And that would be why I couldn't shim it, and that's because the locking mechanism is a little guide that swings out into this notch. So most likely attached directly to the cylinder. Let's just check one thing here. There is a little tabby bit here, but yeah, I don't really, if this comes out, I don't have any idea how, and I don't really want to make a mess of this thing. So I can see the top of the Bible there. So at least at the end. So it doesn't look like it comes apart. Anyhow, there we are. Oh, and it's double, looks like it's actually double locking. So look at that. It's probably got locks on both sides. So, oh, and with the top open, we now can see some further markings, 357 stamped on it. So maybe this was used to lock up ammunition or God knows what. Anyhow, there it is, open, and it is key retaining. I lied. It is not going back, is it? No, it is. I may just not be able to. I can close it. Well, maybe it is shimmable. We'll see. But anyway, there it is. Picked up in Yale Town. No idea how old this is, but I would guess at least 60s, based on the design, 50s or 60s, and the chrome plating. Very pretty, in very good condition considering its age. And no barnacles fell out, so A plus. Anyway, Mrs. Alex, thanks for watching. Have fun, and as always, please keep it legal. Cheers.